Hi everyone, my name is Coumba Ben Mamadou Nyangadu. I know, pretty long name. Thanks mom and dad. I'm 14 years old, I'm from Mali but I live in the UAE and I'm also a tennis player. Before enrolling in an online school, it used to be very difficult for me to study, keep up with my grades and to do tennis. When my friends were studying for a test, I was halfway across the world playing a tennis tournament. You get the picture. This year is my first year with Wolsey Hall Oxford. This is my 4th month, I think, and I picked up some tips, but as we millennials like to call it, hacks. So sit back, relax, and let me take 3 minutes of your life that you're never gonna get back. Bazing! Number 1. Assignment planner. Well, this is my assignment planner. I could easily keep track which assignment I need to do and which assignment I'm past due date on. I think my parents are not going to be too happy about this, but I'm currently behind 4 assignments. It only takes 20 minutes and it will be good for the rest of the year. If you want to do this, make sure to add the subject, the assignment number, and the due date. And that's all you need. Number 2. Timetable. So far, I think the best way of managing your time for your studies is by a timetable. When I started using it, I was not worried of overdoing one subject or not doing a subject at all. Number 3. Sitting straight. I'm 180 centimeter and I can get back pain sitting in a bad position for too long, so I made it a habit for sitting straight. Let's be real, you're not going to be sitting like this for 5 hours. It's too far away to write. Add pillow to support your back. But if you want, you can add 1, 2, 3 pillows. Number 4. Change your clothes. I wake up 4 a.m. to go to my morning session, and by the time I come back at 2 p.m. almost, I am very tired and very hungry. You are always hungry. That's very true, but that's not the point. I mean, after a warm shower, I instantly want to go sleep. I mean, who doesn't? One day I accidentally wore my outside clothes and I was too lazy to change it, and I started studying in them, and I noticed that I was less tired and I was doing more work and I was paying more attention, and I was not keeping on repeating the same paragraph over and over and over and
3 hours later.
over again. And I really think you should try it because it really helped me, and now I just wear my outside clothes but comfortable enough to sit down for 5 hours and to study. Number 5. Play music, because when you're studying, it can get so boring and it gets scary at night. That was scary. No, it wasn't. But please study music, because if you're like me who knows every lyric to every song that is ever made, you might end up like this.
Funk you up, uptown funk you up. I said uptown.
That's all we have for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and bye. How do you off this thing?